Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBet Solutions and a little bit of a different video for you guys today. So I was talking to the Learn Plan Prof group. They wanted a full-on update on the Lamborghini. If you're unfamiliar with what has happened to my Lamborghini, I was pretty much driving home. I got a flat tire. I called the tow company. The tow company ended up dropping my car as they were towing it to a tire shop. And this whole ordeal and mess just came about. This is my first time ever filing a car claim, an insurance claim. I'm very unexperienced with this. So I wanted to get your guys' opinion and if you think I was taken advantage of when it comes down to how they began to work on my car. So one of the things that I want to share with you is I am going to be making a follow-up video after my overall Lamborghini gets fully done. As you guys can see, it still needs to get some of the different panels on the front and side fenders rewrapped, right? So we still have all that to work with, but this is actually the whole reason of this video is, my car got in an accident. I knew that it was going to be expensive to repair as it's a Lamborghini. The quote ended up being nearly $17,000. I felt like that was much higher than what the overall repair cost really needed to be. But so be it, I'll leave that for the next video. The part that's really frustrating me about this entire process is that I get to pick who it is that I want to do the work on my specific car, especially when it comes down to these higher end cars. The insurance company gives me the option, right? I chose an option that my friend referred me to. This body shop said that they're gonna take care of me, all this great stuff, and I was like, great, let's make it quick, let's make it fast. I just wanna continue to enjoy my cars. As you guys know that I love to put miles on the cars. First of all, this whole process ended up taking about 3 weeks more than expected. So it was there for about a month and a half. And it's really the side fender that got the most affected, as you guys can see with this picture right here. What ended up happening is before everything was said and done, I made sure that I made it super clear to this specific shop that this shop is a body shop, meaning that they're gonna do the body work. They don't rewrap cars. They're gonna do that on consignment. And I didn't care for that, as I have a friend that's pretty close to me that owns a business that wraps cars. And because of the overall coronavirus pandemic, it's definitely been affecting small businesses. And I just wanted to do my part that, hey, I have a specific job that I know that I can sign over to you. And if he can do well with that, then so be it. I didn't want to hand that business over to someone that I didn't know or care for. So I made it super clear. This is the whole purpose of this video. I made it super clear that before the work had even started, I want the entire wrap job to rewrap the Lamborghini to be done by my friend and his business. This body shop had the audacity to charge me a commission of the $1,800 that was quoted to rewrap the Lamborghini. They charged me 30%. And at the end of it, I made it super clear to them that, hey, I told you ahead of time that I didn't want you to do the wrap job. I didn't need you to subcontract it. Their excuse was like, hey, it is an industry standard that, whatever gets quoted for, we normally get 30% for referring over the business. I was like, I brought you the business when it comes down to getting the work done for the Lamborghini. You are charging me 3 times as much per hour because of the type of car it is. Rightfully so, I get it, it's a Lambo. Now you are trying to nickel and dime me for everything, including a part of this entire process that was told to you that you had nothing to do with. So yes, I do not agree that you deserve or earned that 30%, $500 in comparison to my friend who's actually going to do the work. And now, because of what it actually costs to rewrap that specific car, I'm going to have to go out of my pocket to cover that. And this is just the bothersome part, because he was like, oh, well, I know someone that can do it much cheaper than that. They'd be more okay with the $1,200 for this wrap job. That's like, your opinion is irrelevant. I brought you the business to do the job for the Lambo and the body shop, and you can make your margins and your profit with that. I get it. Everyone has to make their money. Trust me, I get that aspect. But when I tell you before I even bring you the business that I want my friend to do the work when it comes down to the wrap, and you have the audacity to charge me 30% because it's an industry standard, I can promise you I will never go to this body shop again. And how they do things and the way that they walk around. Oh, I'm so excited to make the follow-up video once everything is said and done and I get the diminished value for my specific car. I am going to break down everything it is that they did to my car in comparison to what they charged the insurance company. And it is just mind-boggling, because I definitely get the short end of the stick where I'm gonna have to pay out of pocket to get this job done. And on top of that, I am left with a Lamborghini that now has a damage report history, and you made thousands and thousands of dollars off of a misquote. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this. I just find it so upsetting that it was something that was like talked about even before they even started working on my car, that, hey, you're not doing the wrap on the car. Whatever it is that they quote for the wrap to cost, I want that to go over to my friend, as I just thought it would be a nice thing for me to do. I wanted to hand over the business to someone that I wanted to give it to, not a random person, and definitely not them. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think. On top of that, the part that really frustrates me is my buddy that referred me to them ended up getting some work done on his specific car, and what the owner told my friend is that they're only supposedly making $1,500 profit when it comes down to the work that they're doing on my car. And I am so excited to break down how much they actually made, because they charged the insurance company nearly $17,000, and there is margin. There's thousands that they made on this specific whole deal, and I'm so irritated of this whole thing because of how greedy someone can be when it comes down to money that was never actually theirs, and they're just choosing to take advantage of someone that really has no experience with this. So you live and you learn, right? I definitely learned a lot throughout this entire experience, and I can honestly say I will never visit this body shop, and we'll be talking more about it on the next one. So I really do appreciate your guys' time. Feel free to share your opinions down in the comment section. I really hope that I earned your thumbs up. And on top of that, don't forget, we are going to be having our Sunday stock talk today at 6:30. So if you would like me to break down any stock that you currently see value in, just make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications, and at 6:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, I'll be going live and breaking down your top stock. Like always, team, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy.